Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install Fortnite on PC. So first of all, you're going to be heading over to Epic Game Launcher. So you're going to be downloading Epic Game Launcher. So for that you're going to be simply heading over to this website called Epic Games and simply click on Home. You can see we have Epic Game Home and we will be directed towards its home page, and from here you can see on the top right side of the screen we have this Get Epic Games option. You're going to be simply clicking on that and downloading and installing Epic Games onto your PC. So it is basically a launcher or a store like Steam from where you can buy and download games. So Fortnite is completely free, so you can simply get that, and once you get your Epic launcher you're simply going to be launching that, and you can see after a couple of seconds it loads up. You're going to be making an account, of course, so you can see I'm currently logged in and you're going to be logging in as well. And here in the store you're simply going to be searching for Fortnite. So let's say you have Fortnite in here, and once you do you will be able to see that we have Fortnite in here at the very first place. Simply click on that and now you will be directed towards the Fortnite section. So you can see it is just warning us that Fortnite contains content that is unrated and may not be appropriate for some ages. So simply press on continue and you can see we have Fortnite. So you're simply going to be clicking on this option. It is currently already in my library, so it is showing in my library. So if you do not have that in your library, here will be option of purchase, but it is completely for free, so you will get that. And so let's just head over to our library, and in here you'll be able to see that we will be having Fortnite somewhere. So as you can see, where is Fortnite? So you can see we have multiple games in here, and similarly we will have Fortnite in here somewhere as well. Let me just search for it. I cannot find it. Maybe on page 2. So yeah, here we have Fortnite. So as you can see we have Fortnite in our library. Simply click on that and you can see we have this option to install. You can simply choose a location where you want to install that, and that's pretty much it. So you can simply enable auto update as well and create a shortcut option if you want to do so. And once you're satisfied you can simply click on install and your installation will be started, and then you just have to wait. So that's a pretty simple process on how to download Fortnite onto your PC, and I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.